What is a data analyst?
A data analyst is someone who collects, processes, and analyzes data to help businesses make better decisions. They use tools and techniques to find patterns and insights in data.
Can you explain what inferential statistics is?
Inferential statistics helps us make conclusions about a larger group based on a sample. For example, we might use it to see if there's a difference in income between data analysts and data scientists by analyzing a small group of each.
How do you handle missing data?
I handle missing data by either removing those entries if they are few or using techniques like imputation to fill in the gaps. Imputation can involve using the average or median of the data to replace missing values.
What is the difference between a primary key and a foreign key?
A primary key is a unique identifier for a record in a database table, ensuring that no two records are the same. A foreign key is a field in one table that links to the primary key in another table, creating a relationship between the two tables.
Describe a time when you used data to solve a problem.
In my last job, we noticed a drop in customer satisfaction. I analyzed survey data and found that response times were too slow. By presenting this data to management, we implemented a new system that improved response times, leading to higher satisfaction scores.
What is data visualization and why is it important?
Data visualization is the graphical representation of data. It helps people understand complex data quickly and easily. Good visualizations can highlight trends and insights that might be missed in raw data.
How do you ensure data accuracy?
I ensure data accuracy by validating data sources, using automated checks, and performing regular audits. I also cross-reference data with other reliable sources when possible.
What is SQL and why is it important for data analysts?
SQL, or Structured Query Language, is a programming language used to manage and manipulate databases. It is important for data analysts because it allows us to retrieve and analyze data efficiently from large data sets.
What is a data warehouse?
A data warehouse is a centralized repository where data from different sources is stored. It allows for efficient querying and analysis, making it easier for analysts to access and work with large amounts of data.
How do you prioritize your tasks when working on multiple projects?
I prioritize tasks based on deadlines and the impact of the projects. I often use tools like to-do lists or project management software to keep track of my tasks and ensure that I focus on the most important ones first.
What is the difference between descriptive and predictive analytics?
Descriptive analytics focuses on summarizing historical data to understand what happened in the past. Predictive analytics, on the other hand, uses statistical models and machine learning techniques to forecast future outcomes based on historical data.
How do you stay updated with the latest trends in data analysis?
I stay updated by following industry blogs, participating in online courses, and attending webinars and conferences. I also engage with communities on platforms like LinkedIn to share knowledge and learn from others.
What is your experience with data cleaning?
Data cleaning is a crucial part of my work. I often deal with messy datasets that have duplicates, missing values, or incorrect formats. I use tools like Python's Pandas library to identify and fix these issues, ensuring the data is accurate and ready for analysis.
How do you approach a new data analysis project?
When starting a new project, I first define the problem and the goals of the analysis. Then, I gather the necessary data and explore it to understand its structure and quality. After that, I perform the analysis and finally present my findings in a clear and actionable way.
What is the importance of data storytelling?
Data storytelling is important because it helps convey insights in a way that is engaging and understandable. By combining data with narrative, I can highlight key findings and make them relatable to the audience, which aids in decision-making.
Can you explain what regression analysis is?
Regression analysis is a statistical method used to understand the relationship between variables. For example, I might use it to predict sales based on advertising spend. It helps identify trends and can inform future business strategies.
What is your experience with machine learning?
I have some experience with machine learning, particularly in using algorithms for predictive analytics. I've worked with libraries like scikit-learn and Python to build models that can predict outcomes based on historical data, such as customer behavior.
What is a common mistake data analysts make?
A common mistake is jumping to conclusions without thoroughly analyzing the data. It's important to explore the data fully and consider different perspectives before making decisions. I always ensure to validate my findings with multiple analyses.
How do you ensure your analysis is unbiased?
To ensure my analysis is unbiased, I use objective data sources and apply consistent methods throughout my analysis. I also seek feedback from colleagues to challenge my assumptions and interpretations, which helps identify any potential biases.
How do you validate your data analysis results?
I validate my data analysis results by cross-checking them with other data sources, conducting sensitivity analyses, and using statistical tests to confirm the reliability of my findings. Peer reviews and feedback from colleagues also help ensure accuracy.
What is the role of a data analyst in a team?
The role of a data analyst in a team is to provide insights and support decision-making through data analysis. I collaborate with other team members, such as data engineers and business stakeholders, to ensure that the analysis aligns with business objectives and is actionable.
How do you handle feedback on your analysis?
I handle feedback on my analysis constructively by listening carefully to the input and considering it seriously. I view feedback as an opportunity to improve my work and often follow up with questions to clarify any points and ensure I understand the concerns.